Welcome to Friday Sews. My name is Lisa. You're watching One Lisa Show. If it's your first time here, hi, welcome. I like to talk about mostly sewing, but quite frankly, it's called the One Lisa Show because it encompasses my life, and I'm Lisa. So it could be more sewing and some knitting, crochet, crafting, baking, which I love, cooking, and just waffling on about my day-to-day life. So if this is not your first time here, thanks for coming back. I do appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. I have a huge goal, of getting 1,000 subscribers by mid-August for my boyfriend, Big Daddy's birthday. I hope I can make that happen because I know it will tickle him to no end. So this has been a very busy week. I have been working. I've been stressed. My rosacea has kind of broke out, and I'm wearing the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Moisturizer, which is usually a good cover-up for my my rosacea, and I still see the redness coming through. The other part too is I suffer from ocular rosacea, and last night it felt like I had an eyelash stuck under my eyelid, and I kind of fiddled with it for a bit, but I couldn't see anything. I used some eye drops, and then I went to bed and woke up and everything felt the same. So I'm a little nervous that the stress has triggered my ocular rosacea, and forgive me for kind of looking and touching my eye on camera. My plans this weekend are to stay calm and not work. We have 4th of July here in the U.S. on Sunday. That's a huge holiday. I think we're going to see a lot more parades that we didn't see last summer. We're going to see a lot more picnics. I'm already hearing fireworks going off, and we're not there yet. And I anticipate to hear fireworks for the next 2 weeks, every night. The weather is gorgeous. We had over a week of rain straight every day, and yesterday it stopped raining, and today it's beautiful outside. Also, this week I did some shopping at Joann's. They have a sale from July 1st to July 4th. They're not sponsoring me. They're not paying me to say this. I'm sharing it with you because if you like getting a deal, then I feel like it's my obligation to tell you, hey, did you know there was a sale here? You can check out the video I posted yesterday, and that's all about what I found on my day 1 of sale. And then today I did go back to a different Joann's, not too far from me, and I got a couple of patterns I want to share because I think one of them is going to be a weekend make for me this weekend. The first one is a quick sew pattern. Quick sew and simplicity patterns are 99 cents at Joann's for the sale, and this is our 10830. It is just 3 simple plush animals, a dog, a bear, and a cat. And I saw the cat and just thought, wow, that is perfect for my nieces. They would love it. So I'm going to start working on that today if I get some spare time. Just as I'm hoping it's going to be just very different from garment construction and kind of like a palette cleanser for me. And a good way to maybe use up some scraps, I'm hoping. It doesn't say anywhere on here how big these animals are. It does not take a lot of fabric. It looks like the dog takes 1 1/8 yard of 45-inch fabric. So I have a feeling I should be okay as a scrap buster. The other pattern I picked up today was Simplicity S9295. And if this looks familiar, it's already also printed as a butterick pattern. It is a pattern by Gertie, and it is the blouse I am wearing. I actually bought this because the one I have is a butterick printed pattern, but I cut that pattern. And then I realized that was too big of a pattern piece. My size was too big. So just to be safe, I traced out the correct size, but then I thought, Lisa, it's on sale, 99 cents, buy it. So I have a backup, and this is what I'm wearing today. I'm also wearing a pair of shorts from Quick Sew. They were kind of big on me. I showed them off a couple of weeks ago. I'm wearing those today too. It looks okay, navy with olive green. And then the sale fabric I got, they have 40% off all their clearance spot check fabrics, additional 40% off. So I got a stretch cotton twill. And when it says stretch, it's not, it's like 3% spandex, 97% cotton. There isn't that much stretch in it. It is like a burnt sienna color. It's a stiff fabric. I got what was left on the bolt, which was slightly over 2 yards, and it was $6.50. And I'm not a fan of this color, but my goal is to start working on doing a muslin of a quick sew pattern for my father of denim jeans. This seems like a fabric I could do a muslin on and make sure it's compatible with my sewing machine. I do not have a heavy duty sewing machine. And I want to try making him a pair of pants. This is going to be to help with his fit. Like I said, he has a very short inseam of 26 inches. And this will be my first go at trying to alter a pattern as I go and get the fit right. So my goal this month is to fully immerse myself in making muslins on new projects before I use my pretty nice fabric. I don't even have any denim fabric for my father's jeans. So this is going to be my practice go so I can at least trace it out, start it, and then take it to them hopefully Sunday and he can do a first fit. We'll see how it goes. I may not be a jeans maker and I'm okay with that. If it's so be it. My father has a very hard time finding pants that fit him, and he has a sewing machine because he always has to hem his clothes. So it would be nice if I could get this down right. I'm a little nervous that I'm not there yet in my skill. One of the other exciting things to share is I was featured on Pattern Review this week. I was a featured member. That was cool. I'm going to insert a picture. So if you haven't been to Pattern Review, it's sewing.patternreview.com. I'll leave a link below in the description. It is a forum geared towards sewists, mostly they have contests, they have classes, you can review books, patterns, fabrics, stores, you name it. I use it to review patterns. If there's a pattern I really want to try, I will always check Pattern Review to see if someone else has made that item and posted a review of that pattern. And the best part is a lot of people leave pictures of them in their garments, and that is very helpful for me. And they also talk about what they liked or didn't like about the pattern. And a lot of people will talk about like what fabric they used, what adjustments they made, things they would do differently, and that it's invaluable information. The other place I do go to a lot if I don't see a big response on a pattern on Pattern Review, I will check out Minerva to see if somebody has posted pictures of them in a make from that pattern. It was an honor to be the featured member on Wednesday, for sure. The other thing I sewed was my last make for June. It's the Galaxy Tee, which is a free pattern by Pattern Scissors Cloth. I have already made this once and I had a fitting issue, so this time I reduced the size by 2 sizes to 100 centimeters. I'm going to do a review of this pattern in another vlog, so I'm not going to say too much, but I will insert a picture. I was super proud of it. I wore it yesterday just because I was so happy with the fit, and will be making more. Other than that, my life has been work and stress. I suffer from rosacea. I got a lot of stress going on. I already have my IT Cosmetics over this, and I still can see the red. I'm hoping to get some relaxation this 4th of July weekend. Here in the U.S., it's our Independence Day. We should have a lot of parades, fireworks, picnics, and so forth. There's always someone that wants to see a house on July 4th. Someone always calls me to see a house. I've done it once. I will never do it again. I'm not the best part of that vacation day is the daytime. I can't wait to turn all my devices off and just relax. Grill hamburgers, make some macaroni salad, and see my parents and my siblings and just forget about work. Just literally turn it off, flip that switch in my head, and no work that day. None of the banks are open. I'm not showing houses. All of my listings are under contract. Off. And so I'm looking forward to that. Goals for this weekend. I'm going to work on those kitties. I'm going to try my hand at it. I probably won't trace that pattern, but I'm going to try my hand at it and hopefully start working on my dad's pants. And that's it. Maybe if I'm lucky, I'll have time to make my June makes video and my July plans video. So these weren't in my July plans, but I'm telling you about it now. We'll see how far I get. And I'm going to work a bit more on my sock that I'm slowly knitting. And just relax and enjoy life, right? I hope you have a great weekend. And if you also are in the U.S., happy 4th of July to you. And I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.